Hello everyone, today I will explain you how to start trading and everything you have to understand before you start. So at first, I am the founder of Mozart Trading Club Academy. This Mozart Trading Club Academy is a trading academy that good at trade on day trade style. I also really love to trade on fundamental trading and technical trading about reversal trading. So my personal technique is day trade. I used to trade like reversal trading, and at the end of the day, I will close all the profit of my position, not have any position appear. So today I will explain and start by what is forex and how to use MetaTrader 5. I hope everyone know how to use it, but if you don't know how to use MetaTrader 5, I will explain you how to use today. And so welcome everyone to start. Okay, let's see the first one. What is forex and what is loss side and what is leverage and spread? And the fourth one is money management, and the last one is how to use MetaTrader 5. The first one is what is forex? Actually, yeah, I think everyone I think everyone have some experience about travel abroad. So, for example, if I am Thai citizen and I want to travel in United States, I have to exchange my money or my currency from Thai baht to US dollar, right? So I cannot use my Thai baht in another country or in United States. If I go to some mini shop and I paid by Thai baht, they will not accept my money. Okay, so in another hand, if I am investor and I want to investment in United States, I do also have to exchange my currency to US dollar, because if I want to invest in United States, they accept United States like US dollar to doing the business there. For example, for me, I study in China. I also have to exchange my Thai baht to Chinese yuan, because I have to pay my tuition fee, right? And I have to pay for cost life there. So I have to use China yuan. Yeah, for many situation, we have to exchange currency. So that's why forex market is the most huge market in the world. If you compare by the another investment topics. So this one is like Thai baht. If I want to exchange, so I have to go to some exchange currency store or bank to exchange my Thai currency to United States currency, that is US dollar. For example, I also can exchange my money, and I also can get some profit if I exchange my currency. For example, I will give you some example about this. For example, I am a Thai citizen and I want to exchange my Thai baht to US dollar currency. And I have only 30, I want to exchange only one US dollar. So when I go into the bank, I see on the screen that one US dollar is equal to 30 US dollar. So if I want to exchange one US dollar, I I must use 30 baht to give to the bank, and they will give me one US dollar, right? For example, if I already had one US dollar and I hold it for like 1 month, and the next month, for example, is like United States is have like a big gold, have many people got a job, no, not much people jobless. So United States is like more growth than last month. So US dollar is also increased because the currency will increase because of the that country is good. For example, if the economic in that country is not good, it's really bad, their currency will decrease their value. For this example that I show you, United States have like a good jobs. Like many people they got a job. Not much people have like jobless, and the economic is very good. So the US dollar currency on that time, that is the next month, is increasing the value. So my US dollar in the next month is not equal to the price at the last month that I exchanged. So if I want to exchange my US dollar that I had to Thai baht again, so I have some profit for this situation. For example, I also going back to the bank and want to exchange the money. I see on the screen that one US dollar is equal to 35 Thai baht. So that means if I exchange my US dollar currency to Thai baht right now, I will get the profit is my profit is 5 Thai baht for this situation that I give you some example. So this is only 5 baht, okay, that I got the profit from this time. But if you compare by the huge amount of money, for example, if I exchange my money like 10,000 US dollar at the time, I will get profit like 50,000 Thai baht on this situation. Okay, so this is like old version, but right now we can trade on the application like MT5, and we can trading by didn't hold any US dollar on my hand, on my pocket. So that is the old version. So but right now we can exchange, and we have like many currency that you can focus. This currency is the most important currency that you have to understand before you start trading currency. But the next one is like a gold and oil, US oil. That one is the different type of product that we will trade. But this time I will show you some currency that you have to understand first. The first one is United States currency, that is USD or US dollar. The symbol of this is USD. United States is the most powerful for the bank if United States bank, the central bank, doing something, it will happen effects to another country on the screen. The next one is euro. Euro currency is the symbol is EUR, euro currency. This currency is very important because the euro currency belong to United States currency around 60%. That is the most value currency that belong to United States. So this currency, like for example, euro currency and United States or US dollar currency is moving in the opposite direction. For example, if euro currency is strong or is increased their value, US dollar will decrease their value, like decrease down like this. It will move like opposite direction for these two currency. And the next one is CHF. That is Swiss franc from Switzerland. This Switzerland currency is like the currency that most of the time this currency is going up and increase their value because have a many rich people they keep their money to the bank of Swiss. And the next one is JPY, Japanese yen. The Japanese yen is also the strongest the strong currency also. If you compare by euro currency, JPY currency is from Japan currency, and CAD is Canadian dollar from Canada. This Canadian dollar is like belong to US oil or the oil in the world because the job most of the GDP from Canada is from selling the oil to another country. So if the oil price is increased, Canadian dollar will increase their value also. But if the oil price is decreased, Canadian dollar their value will decrease their value also. And the next one, GBP is pound sterling from England, and the AUD is Australian dollar, and NZD is New Zealand dollar. Australian and New Zealand is the country that's really close to each country, so their currency will not like so different. If Australian dollar increase their value, New Zealand dollar will increase their value also. And yeah, in another hand, if Australian dollar is decreased, the value is decreased, New Zealand dollar their value will decrease also. And the next one, this is like compare by like the forex market. You see that forex market is really huge and most volume in if you compare by another market exchange. For example, is New York Stock Exchange, Tokyo Stock Exchange, and London Stock Exchange. And I would explain about contract for different. For like now, like trade on gold, chocolate also, and crude oil. You no need to bring like a gold, a stack of gold in your house. No need to keep it. That is really dangerous, and maybe your gold will lose. It have some like leaks that you keep it, and you do not need to keep some space to fill your crude oil in your house. No need. So you can like trading on gold, crude oil by not even like why don't no need to keep it in your space. So you can directly trade on application like MT5, MetaTrader 5. So the next one is leverage. Leverage is the power that broker give to trader. So that trader have more capital to trade than amount of his or her initial deposit. For example, if you have 1,000 US dollar, you like you have 1,000 US dollar, but you can like trade more capital than your amount of money. For example, leverage from broker in many broker, they give some leverage like 1 to 100, 1 to 200, 1 to 500, 1 to 1,000, and I saw some broker they give like more than that. But I will tell you about if you use too much leverage, that is will make your portfolio have more risks to trade. Okay, for example, if I show you some example about the leverage. For example, if I have 1,000 US dollar and I use leverage 1 to 100, that means my like my power, my trading power is 100,000 US dollar. And if I use 1 to 200, my trading power is 200 US dollar. And if I use 1 to 500 leverage, my power of trading will be 500 US dollar. And if the last one, if I use 1 to 1,000, that means I use 1,000 multiplied by 1,000 US dollar that I have. My power is not 1,000 anymore. My power will be 1 million US dollar. But I want you to remember something about lot size. Yeah, I know that many people you heard some about lot size, right? Lot size is look like stock, like one stock, two stock like that. If you use like more high lot size, that means you want to take more risks. But I want you to remember something about this. If you look at the screen, one standard lot in forex or in gold or something, one standard lot is equal to 100 US dollar. So if you compare about this, for example, that means if you use leverage 1 to 100 and your power of trading is 100,000, that means you can trade only one lot. The maximum that you cannot open more than that is one lot. And if you use 1 to 200, that means the maximum lot size that you can open on only one time is like 2 lot. You cannot open higher lot size than 2 lot on this time. But if you use leverage 1 to 500, your maximum lot size that you can open is 5 lot. Yeah, you can open 5 lot on one time. But if you want to decrease your leaks, you can open your loss side less than the maximum amount that you can open. So I will tell you about how to calculate the profit and your loss. For example, this is Euro US dollar. This currency is EU. I will call like EU. That means Euro currency compared to trade with US dollar currency. For the screen on this example, I will show you about this time. If you look at the chart, the price of EU is 1.05170. The last 5 digits is like the price on this time. And if you want to know how to calculate the point, right? Most of Thai people they call point for every moving of the chart, and most of foreigner they use like a pip, right? So I will explain you about this. For that example, 1 euro is equal to 1.05170. That is that is mean of the example that I show you on the picture. For example, if the price on right now is 1.05170, and for example, if the price goes up, that means the price of EUR USD on this time will increasing, right? For example, if the price go up and the price on this time is like now is 1.05171, that means the price already changed, right? One digit number. It changed from 0 to 1. That means the price already increased 1 point. And the next example, if it's not only 1, it's changed to like the price go up like 5. The price right now is 1.05175. That means the price is already increased 5 points. But for another example, if the price is going up 10 points, the price will be like 1.05180. That means the price already goes up 10 points. Or if you want to call pips, that means the price already goes up 1 pips, because 1 pips is equal to 10 points. Okay. And this is example to how to calculate your profit and your loss. The first one is profit. If you want to calculate your profit, you have to calculate by your loss side multiplied by amount of your point that the price already moving. For example, this example, if I open lot side, I want to use like the simple number like this. If I use like I open lot side like 1 lot, and the price already goes up, and this like direction is true direction that I got profit. I want to know that how much profit that I will get on my wallet, on my balance, if the price going to the right direction that I open. I put open position buy, and the price is go up 1 point. And on that time, I open the lot side is 1 lot. So I have to calculate like this. I have to use like lot side that I use is 1 lot, and amount of point that the chart already moved is 1 point. That means the profit that I will got is 1 times 1. Okay, is equal to 1 US dollar. In another hand, or opposite situation, if I lost, for example, if I open 1 lot and the price is go to the wrong direction that I open. For example, if I open position buy, but the price is going down, so I will lose like 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1, negative 1 US dollar. So for another example, if I don't want to open 2 leaks lot size, I want to decrease or use small amount of lot size that I want to open. And the price already goes up to the right direction that I open. For example, if I open position buy, and the price already goes up to the right position that I open. So I have to calculate like this. My profit that I will get is my lot size that I open and multiply by amount of point that the chart already moved. So I will use 0.1 lot multiplied by 100 point. the result is 10 US dollar, 10 US dollar. In another hand, if this time I'm lost, I also will lost $10 also. If the price going to the wrong direction, 100 point. Okay, I think you understand about this. And the next one is how to use MetaTrader 5. This is not this is not like too difficult, but you have to understand before you start trading. This is screen and this is our tools to help people to start trading more easier. This example about MetaTrader 5. This screen on that iPhone, on that phone is like the product that you have to trade. This is like EUR USD, GBP USD, that is pound sterling compare to trade with US dollar. And this one is NZD USD, that is New Zealand dollar compared to trade with US dollar. USD CAD, USD Swiss franc, US dollar Japan, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, like this. This is the product that you can choose. And if you want to trade on gold, the symbol of this is XAU USD, that is gold. And this one is oil, US oil here. But if you click on that code, it will show you the product that you can trade. And on the screen, it will show you the spread on here. The spread is the commission is like if you open the position immediately, you will see on the screen that your balance will negative first. That's because of the broker already deduct your spreads first on your balance here, and your equity will decrease in the same amount of the space multiplied by your lot size that you open. For example, if you open EUR USD on this time immediately, and an example that you open one lot, if you already kick it on that time, your equity will decrease 15 US dollar because you will use spread multiplied by your lot size also. If I want to suggest you, for if you trading on like in early morning like that, spread will be more higher than the time is like most people trading. If you trade on the time that people most trading, spread will decrease the spread down. And the next one is, if you look at the chart, you can see the time frame that you can use. This one is called time frame. Okay, on the top of the screen of that phone, you see that M1, M5, M15, M30, H1, H4, day 1, week 1, 1 month. This is the time frame that you can optimize by yourself, and you will see that how different in each time frame. I want to explain you that in each time frame, actually the price is going to the same direction in the big picture, but in small time frame, sometimes the price is going down, going up. It have some volatility in the small time frame. That will make you can like trade like small point like that. You can take some profit from some volatility about this. So you can see on this screen. On this screen, you can see the price on this time on right now, and you see the chart here, the candlestick. This one is called candlestick. The green candlestick is when the price is going higher than open price. Okay, if the price on right now is higher than the price that it opened, the candlestick will show you green color. But if the price is going under the open price, for the price on the like now, for example, for red color here, open price is 2,300, like around 34 like here, but the price on right now is 2,339. That means the price on this time on right now is under open price, so the candlestick will show you the red color right here. But for example, for this one, open price is 2,392 around here. I'm like but the price on right now, for example, before it's closed, the price is closed higher than open price. So the candlestick will show you green color like here. So it's not too difficult, right? But I want to explain you about the time frame. For example, what about 5 minute time frame? 5 minute time frame that on this example, like the value of the time in each candlestick is equal to 5 minutes. For example, the price will moving up and down here, right here, until the end of 5 minutes. It will make the new candlestick here, and the price will moving like around 5 minutes, and after end of 5 minutes, it will like it will make another uh, candlestick like here. Okay. For if you choose 5 minute time frame, per each candlestick is equal to 5 minutes. If end of 5 minutes, it will increase the or it will make another candlestick right here. Okay. But if you use 1 hour time frame, for the amount of time in each candlestick is equal to 1 hour. If the 1 hour is already passed, the chart will make another candlestick right here. Okay. So it's very simple, right? For this screen, if you click on trade screen, you will see the balance that you had. That is all amount money that you got to trade, equity, and your free margin. And if you want to open your position, and if you want to open your trading order, you have to click on positive symbol here. If after you click it, it will show you this screen, and it will have like many choice that you can choose. For the first one is market exclusion. The market exclusion is the price that you have to open, like that you want to open. If you want to open on the price like now, on this time, the price of this market on this time, you can click it immediately, and your order will open right now. But if you choose another one like a buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, this one is called pending order. That means your position will not open immediately, but you have to wait until the price will hit on the buy limit, sell stop price that you already setting or you optimize. So if you want to click it and you want to open immediately, you have to choose market exclusion before you start click here, buy or sell here. And at the middle here is the lot size that you want to open. For example, I want to open lot size like 0.5x lot size. I have to write it here. And if I want to exchange, for example, if I want to open one lot, I have to change it from 0.5x to 1. The minimum that you can open, like very small, and the smallest amount of lot size that you can open is 0.01. That is the smallest lot size that you can open. And the next one is I will show you about this screen. This screen will show you a history about your trading portfolio. You will see that your lot size that you already open and your direction that you open is sell, right? The downside direction. So the right side here is the time that you open, and your profit or your loss. Deposit is the amount of money that you already deposit, and profit is the profit that you totally combine your profit here to here. If you want to understand about equity is not too difficult, because you know about your amount of money, right? Is your balance, your total, your initial capital is balance, right? But if you already open your position, your equity will not equal to your balance or your initial capital anymore. So if, for example, if you got like if you want to calculate your equity, you have to use your balance or your initial capital plus or minus profit or loss. For example, if I got profit but I didn't call it yet, $100. So for example, if I use my initial capital is 1,000, but my initial capital, like I got some profit increasing, then my initial capital $100. So my balance still equal to 1000 because I still didn't cross any order. I didn't take profit. But if I cross my profit, my initial capital or balance will equal to equity immediately. But equity on that time, if I look at my equity, I will see that my equity will not equal to 1000, but it will equal to 1100 US dollar because I got the profit that I still didn't cross it on that time, $100. So it will equal to balance plus or minus my profit. But in another hand, if I lost, for example, I have like negative portfolio around 100. So my balance still equal to 1000 if I didn't cross my lost profit $100 on my portfolio. But if I close it, for example, my equity on that time is $900 because I negative $100 on immediate during that situation. But for example, if I close all my loss immediately, my balance will equal to equity. So my equity is 900 and my balance will equal to 900 also if I close all profit or my loss on that time. The margin is like it's very you not need to calculate for every time you're trading, but you have to understand some structure or formula about this. The margin is equal to contact size multiplied by lot size and multiplied by your price on that time. All the multiplies is divided by leverage. If you want to calculate, for example, if I calculate the price of EUR USD on like now is 1.2200 and the lot size that I want to open is 2 lot size. I want to know that how much amount money that I have to have in my portfolio before I gonna open my lot size is 2 lot. The leverage that I use is 1 to 100 and the contract size of EUR USD on that time is 10,000. So I have to calculate and it will equal to 2,444. So that means if I want to open 2 lot for the leverage 1 to 100, I need to have 244 US dollar in my portfolio before I open 2 lot. Okay, let's start from if you want to calculate some moving like money management, you have to calculate your balance, your leverage, and your maximum lot size. For example, if I want to if I use my initial capital is 1000 US dollar and I use leverage 1 to 1000, so that means my lot size that I can open is 10 lot, right? If I want to make if I want my portfolio have more safety, I want to management my portfolio, so I have to use my initial capital divided by my divided by 5000. That is the number that I used to divide it before I started to calculate how much lot size that I can open. That is not too risky to my portfolio. For example, I use 1000 US dollar and I divided by 5000 for currency. You can use 5000 to divide it by initial capital of your balance. It will equal to 0.2. That means you can open the maximum lot size that you can open is 0.2. That is not too risk to your portfolio. And you can open less than this if you want to make your portfolio more safety. But if you open your lot size higher than this, that means you over trading. Okay, the next one is what vocabulary that you have to understand about buy stop, sell stop, buy limit, sell limit. It have some different about this. For the first one, I will explain you about sell limit and buy limit. Sell limit is here. For example, if you're driving your car and you not have much time to look at your chart and you want to open if the price is going up to 1.7x61. For example, if I driving a car and the price is go up to hit this price is 1.07x61. Gold price will open sell position for you immediately on MT5 trading platform. So your portfolio will have sell position on your screen. But for it's different from buy limit. Buy limit is also like I want to buy, I want to open buy if the price is going hit to 1.04610. If the price is already hit here, I want to open buy position, right? But I not have much time to look at my chart. So you can pending your order when you are during the time that you not have so much free time. For example, if I open buy limit here and the price is going down and hit the price that I want to open buy, your MetaTrader 5 will open buy position for you immediately. And then last one is buy stop and sell stop. If you want to like, or for this buy stop and sell stop, for me, my personal techniques, I most use it when I have to trade on the news. For example, FOMC, non-farm payroll, ADP non-farm, and another number like CPI, consumer price index, is about inflation number. For example, if I want to sell when the price already hit 1.04610, if the price is fast, like going down fast, like very high volatility, the price, if the price already passed 1.04610, your portfolio will open sell position for you immediately, and you can choose your lot size that you want to open before you set your pending order sell stop. But for another example, if I want to open buy, if the price going up and already past 1.07861, if the price going up and hit 1.07861, your portfolio will open buy position for you immediately also. And for this time, buy stop loss and take profit. Stop loss is used to set for you if you don't want to lose more than that. For example, if you didn't set your loss, maybe sometime if you didn't control your portfolio, your initial capital will decrease down because you didn't manage anything. So for beginner, I suggest you to set your stop loss and your take profit every time you trade. For example, if the price is here 1.05170, and it have some news like non-farm payroll, and the price is going down like 2,000 points, but I already set my stop loss is 500, so the maximum loss that I will get, that way I will lose at 500, is not 1,000, So you will decrease and you will make your portfolio more safety. And take profit also. If you want to take profit, like for example, you're driving your car and you not have time to look at your chart that much, or you don't want to look at your screen too much, you can set your target like 1.065388. If the price is going up to hit your target, it will close your profit immediately, directly, that is on the time. So the movement of market is have like T movement market that you have to understand. The first one is uptrend, the second one is sideways, and the last one is downtrend. So the difference about three time frame is the uptrend market. You will see that the price is make a new high. That means it increase. The price will increase up, and you will see that you will have like higher high here. It will make another high, a new high like here. And if you look at when the price is going down, it will not make the lowest low anymore. It will make a higher high and higher low like here. And this one is compare. If you compare between uptrend and downtrend, you will see that downtrend will make a new low. It's called lower low. And if the price is going down like downtrend, you will see that the price will not make a new high like here, but it will make a lower high like here. But the sideways is opposite things, like the price is not uptrend, is not downtrend, but the price is keep moving and the x like direction and the x direction on this time. So if you want, if for me, I am trader, then I trade on day trading. I have much like opportunity to trade many positions, so I choose to trade on sideways market. That is the best market structure that I most trade. So for this time is like support resistance. The resistance is resist the price to not going up to this price. So if how to know that this is resistance, you will see that if the price going up to hit some price and is not plus to it, that means something is wrong about this. Something about this price is special. So the next time if the price is going up and hit that price again, you will see that the price is going down immediately by themselves. So for support, is support to not pass through or not break through down here. So if the price already hit twice, so the next time the price is very hard or very difficult to pass to this support line. So you can open buy when the price is already hit support line here. So that's all we explain today. So I want to explain you about the basic forex that you can understand by yourself, and I hope you understand all of this. If you have any question, you can ask me immediately. And if you want to understand and you want to have more knowledge, that is good for you. Because if you want to be pro trader, you have to understand everything. The first one is technique you use, and the last one, but it's very important, that is yourself. You have to understand yourself. Who are you? You can hold your position or you cannot hold it. You have to understand everything about yourself before you start trading. So if you understand about this, hope you enjoy. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.